Hey guys, I got a quick video for you guys today. I've been getting a lot of questions about how I made the elevated train track in my LEGO City, and specifically how I was able to get it so sturdy so that it doesn't flex even when you have a heavy train going across it. So I'm going to do a quick little tutorial today to show you how I made these tracks. So here's basically how I made these tracks. What you're going to want to do is you're going to need double what you normally have. So currently I'm going to make a 90-degree section of track. So instead of using the standard 4 curved pieces, I'm going to use 8. And then I'm also going to use a couple of basic bricks in between. And I'm using yellow today just to kind of illustrate how it goes together. So the first thing that I'm going to do is pretty simple. Just make a 90-degree turn. Pretty straightforward. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add bricks all along the outside. And I'm going to do this until every single one of the cross beams there has a brick on it. So it should look something like that. The last few pieces I have in between here are for the sections where the pieces of track connect to one another. So for example, there, and there. And I'll also put these on the end just for this demonstration piece. The next thing to do is to get your next section of track and just lay it on top and use brute force to just connect it, making sure that you really squeeze it together where the pieces meet. Like so. And what you'll have is a very, very sturdy track. Now I'm trying to flex it on camera, as you can see, and it's really having a hard time bending. And this is a curved section too. And the reason why it's nice to build your tracks like this is because ordinarily if you don't double them up, you'll have to support your track at every single point that it connects to another piece. So you only get about 16 studs before you have to have support. If you do it this way, you can have a support there and then supports on the ends, and that's pretty much all you need. As you saw in the video clip earlier, the heaviest train that I got, still barely flexes the track. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you would, please like and subscribe.